Okay, let's start to solve this question 8 neighbors. So let's read this question. What is the question is that? So question is given two number n and m, a 2D array, size of n into m, which contain x or dot only. A two number x and y which denote a cell position in A such that x is a row number and y is a column number. Determine whether all neighbor of the given cell are x or not. So here you see that this is a cell that we have given. We have to check the all the neighbors is x or not. All neighbors should be x. If it is not, you should print no. If it is all the neighbor are x, you should print yes. That is the question. And here you see that all it will start with like one base index. Okay, 3 comma 3. So in the first test case, your the constraint is very low, 100. So we don't need to worry about time complexity. It is n into m. And the x or y is start from 1. So I can say that like it is a 1 base index, not 0 base index, and will take us a 0 base index. So we just have to take care of that. So here you see that we got is 2 comma 2, which is the middle one. This dot is 2 comma 2 because this is a or 1 base index, and we have to check the all the neighbor are x or not. All the neighbor are x, that's why we have to print yes. And here we have defined 2 comma 2, which is the this 2 comma 2 again. Tell me like all the neighbor are x or not. Yes, no, because this is a neighbor of this 2 comma 2, but it is not x. That's why we have to print no. And here we have to check 1. So this is a 1 comma 1. And who is the neighbor of this 1 comma 1? So this is 1 comma 1. This is a neighbor. This is a neighbor. This is neighbor. We have 3 neighbor only here. Okay. So because here is there is no other boundaries are there. So it is a boundary case. So we really want to consider this case. So I can say that it can't be less than 0. It can't be greater than n. So you just have to take care of it. Okay. Is it valid position or not? So here we have 3 friends, 3 neighbors are there, and all are x, all are x. That's why we have to print yes. So let's try to submit the code. So you can take as a 1 base index. Okay. I will take as a 1 base index because in char ch. So let's suppose ll comma m scene n m, and I will take char array n plus 1. Why n plus 1? Because I will take as a input. Okay. I will take as a 1 base index. Let's try to I equal start with 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, for j equal to 1, j less than equal to n, j plus plus. Okay. J less than equal to m, not n, is m, n comma m. And scene array of ij. And it is only contain x or dot. Okay. So I can say one thing. I start with 0. Okay. J is 0. And if I equal 0 or j equal 0, because we have to, so I can write array of ij equal to something different characters. Okay. Else we'll take the input from the user. And this is why I'm taking this one, because when I take as a condition like 1 comma 1, so we can check every cases. Okay. And we just have to check is it x or not. Okay. So even dollar you can to put the dot. So what does it mean? I'll just print it out and you can understand what I'm doing here. Less than equal to n, I plus plus, j equal to 0, j less than equal to m, j plus plus, see out array of ij. and C out NM. So it will print something like dot 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 something. So I think it should be dollar. That's very good. So why am I putting a dollar? Because let's suppose, okay, I'm putting a dollar because dollar is a valid solution for me. Okay, डॉलर इज अ वैलिड सोल्यूशन और डॉलर की जगह पे आप एक्स भी लिख दो तो कोई इशू नहीं है. ठीक है, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट चेकिंग दिस कंडीशन. आई एम टेकिंग दिस फोर क्रॉस फोर मैट्रिक्स. व्हाई? आई टेल यू इन दिस स्टेज के सी दैट one thing. Let's suppose I have taken this 1 comma 1. This 1 comma 1, we have to check this neighbor, this neighbor, this neighbor, this neighbor. Okay, but we have to write the equation for this one, like is it, because I really want to put for, like, let's suppose we have a 2 comma 2, we have to check this all neighbors, yes or not. So for 1 comma 1 we have to write different cases, like you can't move here, you can't move here because it is a zero base index, so you can't move here. So that's why we are making making a synergy equation, like for 1 comma 1 I can check the all conditions. Okay, this all condition here, which is very equivalent to this one, and we'll give the yes. That's why I'm taking this one. So it will be very helpful to us to make a good code. Okay, so I can't write like for every cases. Okay, it will consider all the cases. So ll x comma y sin x sin y, which is for 1 comma 1 here. And now you have to check it, is it valid or not. Full flag equal to false, or ll I equal to 0, or I equal to, oh, okay, we have like x y we have there. So let's suppose we have x comma y. So we really want to put the above three, the below three, and the side one. Okay. So how do I write it? Think about, like, if I have 2 comma 2, let's suppose here, if I have 2 comma 2, so can I say that this is 2 comma 1, this is 2 comma 3, and this is 1 comma 1, and this is 2 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, and this is 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. So if I write in a xy form, so if it is x comma y, I can write x minus 1, x minus 1, y minus 1, x minus 1, y, x minus 1, y plus 1. Okay. And for this one, it is x comma y minus 1. And here we have x comma y plus 1. And for this one, I can write x plus 1, y minus 1, x plus 1, comma y, x plus 1, comma y plus 1. So we have write all the conditions. We have to check this all condition here. Okay. So we have x comma y. So we have to check if array x minus 1 comma y is equal x, and array of x minus 1 y minus 1, here y minus 1, or the above 3 one, then it is y equal x, and array of x minus 1 comma y plus 1 equal x. And so we have written the first above 3. Okay, x minus 1, x minus 1, y minus 1, y plus 1. Now we are writing the second, this one, x comma y minus 1, x comma y plus 1. So and array of x comma y minus 1 is equal x, and array of x comma y plus 1 equal x. And now we have to write the all the below statement. Okay. So x plus 1, y minus 1, x plus 1, y, x plus 1, y plus 1. So array x plus 1, y minus 1 is equal x, and array of x plus 1 comma y equal x, and array x plus 1 comma y plus 1 equal x. So all the condition, if it is true, so I can write yes, it is true. So we don't need to write a true flag. So I just write if it is true, then this cout yes, nl, else cout no nl. So what is our nl? I'll tell you this is our macro. Okay, this is our macro. So if you see that our nl is here, define nl is equal to this one. So you can write the handle, okay, if you want. So let's compile and run. So we'll check the all 8 condition, okay. And we are not checking all the condition because we make the zero base index equal to x, okay. So let's try to submit the code. So our code is executed. Let's mark it.